Kumana National Park is a renowned wildlife sanctuary in Sri Lanka, known for its rich birdlife and scenic coastal lagoons. It is especially famous for hosting many migratory birds during the nesting season. During my visit on the 13th of September 2025, I recorded several species of wetland birds. The black-necked stork is a large, striking wading bird found in South Asia, Southeast Asia, and Australia. It lives in wetlands and feeds on fish, frogs, and other small aquatic animals. Usually seen alone or in pairs. Painted stork. A large wading bird with a long yellow beak and pink-tinted wings. Often seen near lakes and wetlands, it feeds on fish and nests in colonies. Asian openbill. A medium-sized stork with a distinctive gap between its beak tips. Common near wetlands, it feeds mainly on snails and is often seen wading in shallow water. Lesser whistling duck. A small, brownish duck with a soft whistling call. Often found in ponds and wetlands, it lives in flocks and is active mostly at dusk. Greater adjutant. A large, rare stork with a bald head and thick yellow bill. Found near wetlands and garbage dumps, it feeds on carrion and is critically endangered. Purple heron. A tall, slender bird with a reddish-purple neck and dark body. Found in wetlands, it hunts fish and frogs while hiding in reeds.